Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about which is the best AI video generator. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for canva.com. Now, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Note that you would need a premium Canva account in order to use this feature. But if you don't have it, you can still use it as it is limited for free users. Once you are on the home page, click on the Apps tab at the left side of your screen and a bunch of AI features will open up. Simply go to the All Apps section and then search for Magic Media. After that, click on it and a new dialog box will appear. Simply click on the New Design button and select Video as the canvas. Now, you will be redirected to the editing canvas. You can see that there are two types of tools you can use, Image Generator and Video Generator. Simply navigate to the Video Generator tab and this interface will load up. Here, you can either enter a prompt by yourself or just click on this Inspire Me button to get random prompts. Once you are satisfied with the prompt, click on the Generate button and it will start generating. After the video has been generated, you can just click and drag it over the canvas. But if you don't like the results, you can generate another video and place it over the previous one. After you are satisfied, click on the share icon at top right corner of your screen, select download, and then download the video in preferred format. That's all about the best AI video generator. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.